Hi, welcome along. It's Daniel Berry from DanielBerryGuitarTutor.com. Great to have you along. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to play Everybody Wants to Rule the World by the great Tears for Fears, a massive #1 way back in 1985 when I was only 6. I'll let you do the maths on that one. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, not only that, but also worth mentioning that I'm now offering Zoom lessons. So if the videos aren't, you want to take deeper than the videos and you want to actually have one-to-one lessons with me via Zoom, head on over to DanielBerryGuitarTutor.com and everything you need to know is on the website. So with all that said and done, if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Everybody Wants to Rule the World. Let's get straight into it. So first off, we've got the intro, which goes like this. Right, let me show you how that's done. So first off, it's actually simpler than it looks. So what we're going to do, we're only going to use the G string and the B string. So imagine, no, don't imagine, actually do. We're going to go G string, B string, G string, B string. So literally one after the other. So get it like that. One after the other. Right, so first off then, so we've got what we're going to pick. Then to the mix, we're going to add in the fingers. So we've got the first finger on the 10th fret of the B string and our second finger on the 11th fret of the G string. So now we've got this sound. Got it, right? And then what we're going to do, it's the second and the fourth beat. We're going to add our third finger to the 12th fret of the B string. So what that's going to do, that's going to obviously override the 10th fret of the B string, which our first finger is holding down. So on. So 1 would be off, 2 would be on, 3 would be off, 4 would be on. 1, 2. So on, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4 beats, we go down with the third finger, and 1 and 3 is off. Okay, so 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that happens over and over. So we've got 4 bars of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we go down to the D major 7 and then a G. And we've got, so that's going to sound like. Let me show you how that's done. So D major 7, if you didn't already know, is holding down in the second fret with our first finger the G string, B string and A string in a line with our first finger. Now what we're going to do, we're going to play 5 strings on this one. Yeah, so here we go. So the strumming pattern for this is a bit, it's not just a case of going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's the first down is like, it's a short strum and then a long strum. So we've got. So for the short strum, we're just going to come down over the 5th and the 4th, perhaps the 3rd string as well. So A string, D string, G string. And then obviously the long strum is all 5 strings. So. Sorry. And then when we go to the G, which again, those of you that have been watching my videos, I'm a big advocate for this G rather than this G. I think this G personally is rubbish. There, I said it. I know I'm going to get loads of comments, and please do leave me loads and loads of comments. Love it. Let me know what you think, but I'm telling you, this G, in my opinion, is the G. Okay, so that G, and they frees you up to go to a million other chords without too much more movement. Look, I'm doing like G to C, G to E minor, back to the G, D. Yeah, it's all there. When you do this G, you've got to do all loads of movements. Okay, but that's my opinion. Here we go. So G, D major 7, G, D major 7, G. See what's going on there? Hardly any movement. Look, bop to bop. G, D major 7. So they're the two chords we need for the majority of the song. So that's what's going on with the verses. So we've got short strum, long strum, short strum, long strum, short, long, short. Now when we change between the D major 7 and the G, it sort of happens on the upstroke. So see what happened there? So we've got D major. We just sort of catch it on the upstroke when we change to the G. So down, up, down, up. So that's what's going on with the verses. I won't do too much of the melody because I get copyrighted. I get copyright strikes. So yeah, let's. So that's what happens to the verses. Let's move on to where it escalates. The chorus goes E minor, F sharp minor, G, back to F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, back to D major 7, back to the thing we was doing. Right, so let me take you through that again. So we've got chorus, E minor, ba 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 ba, that bit. So E minor, then F sharp minor, G, and back to F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, and back to. Right, let me show you what that would look like. So for beginners, you've got your F sharp minor is barring all 6 strings, and then having your 2 fingers in the 4th fret on the A string and the A string and the D string. There we go. That's your F sharp minor. E minor, I'm sure you know, like that. G, we've spoke about that. G, A, or A if you want to do an A that way. And then back to D major 7. There we go, that's that. Bar chords wise, it's slightly easier bar chords wise. If you're already familiar with bar chords, this is how you're going to do it. So we're going to go E minor, F sharp minor, then up 1 fret to a G, and then back down to an F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, G, up to 5th fret A, and then, yeah, see? So we got E minor, F sharp minor, G, back down to F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, D major 7, G. Bridge. Let's go quickly over the bridge. So we got, this is the bit, there's a da where the lads won't find, just that bit. So we got G, da, 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 D, not D major 7, actual full on D. So we got G, D, G, D, G, D, E minor so glad we F sharp minor, G back to F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, G and A, and then so there we have it. Everybody Wants to Rule the World by the great Tears for Fears. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a big favour and click like and subscribe, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar based tutorials. Until we meet again guys, take great care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.